Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing that PRL front pipe review. So far so good. I'm very happy. It's been a little over a week since I installed it. I haven't gotten any rattles from it. The fit and finish is top notch. So no vibrations, no rattles. Everything's good. As far as performance, you can definitely feel it. The claims are correct. What they say it does, it actually does. So your mid-range is better. Your top end is a little better. I'm not going to say we're talking huge differences, but there's definitely a feel. You can definitely feel it. The butt dyno says it's good. So that's good. So I'm happy it's doing what it says it's going to do. I wouldn't recommend this part because some people are asking, can I get a front pipe without a downpipe? And I don't really see much point, because you're going to be running everything basically 2.5 inch. And then you're going to put a 3-inch piece right in the center. It just, to me, it doesn't make any sense. I don't see that you would get much sound from it. In my case, I have the RV6 Cat downpipe. I actually managed to get a little more sound out of it, which was a surprise. Mainly from the outside. From the inside, you really can't hear it much. Like, I can step on it right now as I'm driving. You don't really hear it all that much, to be honest. But from the outside, you can hear a slight difference from what I initially had. I'll roll those clips for you right now just so you can see what it sounds like with the downpipe and the stock exhaust. So I'm going to play those for you right now. This is a cold start, by the way. It actually sounds like there is a little more sound. Weird. Not much though. So aside from the little sound and extra horsepower you're going to be gaining, this part is really worth it, mainly if you're going to be doing a downpipe full exhaust, because you want everything to flow nicely. You don't want to have any bottlenecks. I have an exhaust coming in soon, so basically if I have my high flowing downpipe and I keep the factory front pipe, and then I put a high flowing front pipe back, you're going to have a bottleneck in the middle, and you're not going to be gaining whatever little there is to gain from the front pipe back exhaust. So basically it's just another piece to the puzzle. You're better off just to do everything that way. The whole entire exhaust system is cohesive and you have good flow, and you're not having any bottlenecks and basically undoing everything you're trying to do. So I really recommend doing it as far as that's concerned. Price wise, it's a fair price. It is what it is. So I do recommend this part. If you guys are going to be working on the exhaust system on your car, go for it. Easy install, do it yourself. I wouldn't bother to pay a shop. If you watch my video, I'll put a link in the description for you, or I'll flash it right on top for you right now. You could just check that out. I go over a few of the key points. It's an easy install, basic hand tools, nothing crazy. It took me longer to film the video to show you guys what was involved and show you the front pipe or whatnot than it actually took to do the installation. It even took longer to clean up, to be honest. I pulled it out in about 20 minutes, put it back in about less than 20 minutes. It was pretty simple. So I also recommend doing that job yourself. I wouldn't pay somebody to do it. It probably wouldn't cost all that much, but I would definitely give it a shot yourself if you have the tools. I could also show you a few pulls, because at the end of the day, what's a video without some pulls, right? Everybody wants to see you move. That's the best part. So let me do a few pulls for you guys. I don't know if you're going to see a noticeable difference on how much quicker the acceleration is. It's not, like I said, it's not night and day. It's not the difference of doing a downpipe, it's not the difference of doing a tune, but there is a difference. So I'll do a few pulls for you because it's always the best part of the video, at least for me. So for those of you that are new or are wondering what tune I'm running my Ktuner with Phearable Stage 3. So that's a pretty aggressive tune, so that's also why the car is moving so well, still stock turbo. Running good, guys. Running good. So those were the pulls. There you have it, guys. The PRL front pipe. I recommend it. I'd say go out and get one. Not because I have it, because I really feel it's made a difference. If you guys have seen some of my past videos, if I don't feel that it's worth it, if I don't think that it did that much, I'll always give my honest opinion. There's nothing in it for me to make the stuff up. So it does add performance, does add a little sound. If you have a downpipe, I can't say it'll do the same if you didn't. I also wouldn't really recommend it if you didn't have a downpipe. So if you're going with the downpipe, get the front pipe. They pair very well together. And that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the exhaust video when that finally comes in. I don't know if any of you are tired of all this back-ordered stuff, but I know I am. Very annoying, but I think I might have found another spot to get it a little bit quicker. So I'm working on that right now, but that exhaust should be coming in soon, so stay tuned for that video. And remember to like the video if you can, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.